The last few months have been one of the most difficult phases for Shilpa Shetty Kundra and her husband Raj Kundra. Shilpa and Raj were spotted at the Mumbai airport earlier on Thursday. Raj had his face covered with a hoodie and mask. He walked inside the airport, escaping from the sight of the paparazzi, while Shilpa was seen dressed in a business suit. Ever since Raj Kundra has been granted bail in a pornography case, he has rarely been spotted publicly. Raj and Shilpa recently celebrated their 12th wedding anniversary. The actress had shared an unseen picture from her wedding day. Alongside the picture, Shilpa had penned an adorable note wishing her hubby happy anniversary. She wrote, "This moment and day 12 years ago, we made and continue to fulfill our promise of sharing the good times and bearing the hard times, of trusting in love and God to show us the way, side by side, day by day. 12 years and not counting. Happy anniversary, Cookie. Here's to many more rainbows, laughter, milestones, and our prized possessions, our children. Heartfelt gratitude to all our well-wishers who have been with us through thick and thin." Shilpa's post went viral in no time. Raj Kundra has deleted all his social media handles after he was granted bail on pornographic content case. Raj has deleted his Twitter and Instagram account. Raj, who was quite active on social media, used to share funny videos and pictures on Instagram. He also used to make many videos with his wife Shilpa and share them on his social media handle. Earlier on October 15, Raj had made his Instagram account private. Raj's account on Instagram was named Raj Kundra 9 and he had more than 1 million followers. At the same time, Raj Kundra has more than 7 lakh followers on Twitter. The Mumbai Session Court granted bail to businessman Raj Kundra in September. He and his co-accused Ryan Thorpe were arrested on July 19 in the case pertaining to the alleged creation and distribution of pornographic content on mobile applications. Kundra was granted bail on a surety of Rs 50,000. On the film front, Shilpa was last seen in Hangama 2. The Priyadarshan directorial also featured Paresh Rawal, Rajpal Yadav, Mizan Jafri and Pranita Subhash in key roles. Shilpa made her comeback into Hindi films after 14 years with Hangama 2. The actress will next be seen in Nikamma. The film also stars Abhimanyu Dasani and Shirley Setia. Nikamma has been directed by Sabir Khan.